Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover an important airdrop. This is Thinkin. This is a social media platform that is launching in beta already. You can get the airdrop and it's running in Algorand. So it's the first airdrop that I cover of a project running on Algorand, so it's really interesting. And you can get the airdrop for free. So if you are waiting those airdrop free videos, this is one of them. We are going to cover the beta platform, which is actually really cool, super professional in the UI aspect of the project. Like always in my videos, we are doing the step-by-step on how to apply this airdrop. It's a little different from another airdrops, it's an Algorand, but we are going to cover everything in detail. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Well guys, Thinkin Airdrop, this is a project, a Web3 community-based social platform based on Algorand. The airdrop end date is the 20th of December, so we have a couple of days yet. They are providing 1 million INC token reward pool to the users that test the open beta launch it. And if you go to the Twitter account, you can see 31k followers. You are going to see here that all users can use the Think platform to receive INC reward. So this is a pinned comment on their Twitter, and you can see that this is the airdrop announcement basically. So this airdrop is confirmed, and if you want to continue doing airdrops of confirmed project, you just can go here to my airdrop organizer and you can filter this for confirm, and you are going to have only the confirmed airdrops instead of the potential ones. So you can go to the airdrop organizer, download it, it's free, so you can go here and download it and use it any way that you want. And here you have my links for the videos and the different documentation for the step-by-step and the information updated of the project. So let's start with this step-by-step guys. First of all, because it's in Algorand, we are going to use a test Algorand wallet. Maybe you don't have this, so we need to install it, and it's a little annoying because we again need to have another new wallet. But please stay with me. You know that social media projects hype a lot, so probably this could be one of those gem projects for an airdrop. So here guys, first of all, go and follow them on Discord and Twitter. We are going to need Twitter in this tutorial. But in Discord you can ask any question that you have about the airdrop or anything. The first thing is we need to create a wallet, my Algo wallet. So click this link so we create a new account. You are going to see this disclaimer, so ensure that you are in wallet.myalgo.com. So confirm that, click accept and continue. Put a password here, click continue. So here you are in my Algo wallet. And here you are going to need to create a new account. So this is a way to create your new wallet. So click there, click on continue. And here guys, you have 5 words behind each of these. So you can see your words there. So take note of the following words in the correct order. You can copy everything here. You also can click here to show all. Once you have written the words, you click continue. And now you need to put in each of these words the correct word. So in position 22 of those 25 words, which one of these is the correct? And once you click the word correctly, you are going to be sent to the next one. You need to do that with these 4 words. After that, put the name of your account and click on create account. Put the password that you used, click create. And now guys, you are set up. You can see that you have your Algo wallet here. This is your address. You can copy your address here. This is the wallet that you just created. And here you can put mainnet, testnet or betanet. So put on testnet right now. It's the same address there, but we are going to use now this. So once you have your Meta Algo wallet, we need to go to the Thinkin app and sign in. So let's go to the app, click in login, and here try to log in with your wallet. Click on my Algo wallet, connect, Confirm the wallet that you are going to use to connect. Click here in login wallet again. Confirm your password. Click continue. And now here you are going to be redirect. In your account settings, you need to configure your email. So you need to add an email here and put a username, anyone that you want. So once you put that, you are ready to work here, guys. So for now, let's click that. Go here to this part where is your profile. We are going to click here on my page. And we are going to change the background here, clicking on that button. And this is the point 3, guys. Put the background and a profile picture here, so this looks like really that you are trying it. So put the background there, and here put the profile picture. If you click to the dashboard, you are going to have all the information of your profile here. This is your particular part of profiles. We are going to create a post, and we are going to create a DAO also. But if you go to the earn part, you can see that says the total earn in tokens is 0. In order to get tokens, you need to post, you need to comment, and you need to like. You are going to doing these 3 actions, get more tokens here to claim. Like you can see here, by interacting with the platform, Thinkin members can get rewarded. So let's do point 4, which is create a post. So you click here on post now. Select an audience, everyone, review, my DAO, so let's put it in everyone. Title, now let's put some comments here. I will first put an image, the thumb of the video, and then I will put some information here. I will convert this in a link. And down here we can put some optional tokens, like crypto news, cryptocurrencies. So select a couple of hashtags there and now click post now. And like you can see, if I go to the dashboard, in post says 1, and I have here my post, which looks really nice. The UI of this application is looking nice. I really like it. You can change the way to see your posts. Now if I go to earn, you can see that I have inclaimable 5 ink. So the button is not updated yet, but you need to post stuff here. You need to comment and like in order to increase your ink rewards. Back into the dashboard, we are going to point 5, which is create a DAO. So the community name. For representative link, I will put the link of my website. I will put my profile image here. So like you can see, you just need to complete with everything that you can. I will put public for the classification. Contributor wallets, I will not put anything. Main menu, nothing. Rules for the DAO, nothing. Frequently asked question, I don't know. Is this DAO public? Yes, it is. And down here, just select some tags for the DAO. NFT lovers, crypto. I will put crypto related stuff. Business technology. This is testnet, so there's no incorrect answer. I will put my Twitter account here. I will add the link from my YouTube page and the link of my website. You also can put your region. And important here, read the selection criteria. So after doing all that, click create DAO. Some fields are not valid. Let's review this. So this name already exists because I already create this DAO name with this with the different account. So I will just put cryptocurrency state 2 and create DAO. So your DAO is open. This worked correctly. You can see the type of DAO that I created to my dashboard. You can follow some tags here. So the idea is that you need to interact with everything. Follow, follower, one post. And doing those stuff, you are going to increase your ink total rewards. Once you do all that, guys, you need to submit this form. So open this form and here complete everything. What is your email address, your Algorand wallet address, Telegram username. How will you rate the platform functionality, improve in terms of functionality. Put everything that you can comment here to help. Please don't put any joke or anything like that. This is serious. You need this step in order to get the airdrop, and click send. The last step, guys, is send a tweet with a screenshot of your post by tagging the Twitter account of the project and with the hashtag of Thinkin. Doing that, guys, you already are eligible for the airdrop, and every day that you put a post, you can put posts, like other comments, or even other posts, comments in stuff. You can see I just put a comment here inside the DAO. So start doing all that in order to increase your different activities that will help you to earn. You can see I have 0.3 now here because I like it. It's a couple of things, a comment and a post. So increasing all that, you can get more rewards. Guys, that is all for the video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me in Twitter in CryptoCState, because here I post stuff that I don't comment in the videos, different news, more stuff about different airdrops that you may be losing it if you are not following me in CryptoCState. That's all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.